In this video, we will discuss our third module, which will be on control structure. In this, we will have if-else condition. Like here, I have condition code execution. Here I have a function which is adding or subtracting. I want add and subtract to happen based on a condition. It should add if the condition is true, or else in this function it should subtract. So what we will do here is, we will use if condition. If will come as it is, we will add round braces and the condition will be in the middle. So in it, I will have values that this will become clearer when we will do some further examples. So let's go forward. Here we have Boolean operator, in which if-else conditions are mostly used, like double equals to. We have discussed this before, but there were one or two things which we had not cleared up with an example. So let's do them now, so we don't have a problem while doing the example. Double equals to, check for equality. This is double equals to. Not equals to is used to check for inequality. Triple equal to. Now what is the difference between triple equals to and double equals to? This checks value equality and triple equals to checks both value and type. We will try to implement it a little bit. Checks less and greater, and here it checks less or equal and greater or equal and not true. We have done these through an example. Now let's look at an example of double and triple equals to. I have opened any browser from here and you will open its console. Okay, here 2 triple equals to 2. It has returned 2. Okay, now here I have done 2 triple equals to 2. I have given a type of string and an integer. It has still returned true. Here, it is only looking at value, not the type, whether it is string or integer. If I write triple equals to, it will. Triple equals to, so it will return false. So this looks at both the type and value, and this looks at only the value. So this is it for this video. We will do practical implementation in future, so this will be clearer to us.